Hi guys, my name is Avnish and today I'm going to show you how to use filmora 9. So guys, you can see here, you can go up, down, sideways, everywhere. Here you can't press no because I have not created any video. But guys, I'll show you how to make. So first, I have not made any videos. But first, you have to go to your media. Any videos will be, you have to press on it. Then it gets okay. It gets added. Then whenever it gets added, you can use titles for title. You can add anything to your video. Transpiration means any movement, and then effects mean they make your this video more brighter, not brighter, colorful, not colorful, black, glitch lines, everything. And elements means they'll show something. I used the I used one this I used Let's Go on one of my videos. You can check it. But this is called element. Something will appear. And split screen means they add two screens where one you can use for face cam and one you can use for any video. I've even made I didn't send that video, but I had made one of those videos with the siren head. So let me know in the comments if you want it. So guys, these are all the things. And if you want to do more with the videos, you can just press like this. You'll find your place. You can add more things, or if you want, you can even add some minions, other things, XYZ videos, my screen recorded, pictures, music, downloads, document, desktop, this PC, and that all guys. So whenever you have created your video, you press export. Intel, please import media and to start creating your project. Intel have not yet created. When you press export, then it's you have to pay money for some of them. One of them you have to not pay. You have to just type your name, address, and Gmail, everything. Then you will get started. Then you can just press again that. Then you can just go get your things. You can upload it. After when you upload it, you can press find target. You will find where is this. Then you can just go to YouTube. Not this. Wait guys. If you go check here, yeah, then you have to go to your place, press edit video, then they'll say video details. Okay, I really don't have any video. So guys, you can do that and you'll get ready. So if you want to really see how to do it, then I'll show you guys. Okay, how to remove this one. Okay, don't care. Then you can just press YouTube Studio. Then you have to press create, upload video, select file. Okay, it will happen, but I don't want to upload any videos. So guys, whenever you have to drag it to that side, then you get it. That's all guys for this video. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share and even comment. So guys, see you in the next video.